These strategies can maximize your repeat sentence scores. 1. Focus on the meaning of the sentence. Understand the context helps remember the sentence. 2. Remember the sentence in chunks, that means phrases of words. 3. Oral fluency is the most important criterion. Candidates can get 2 out of 3 points for 50% of the content repeated. Therefore, don't be obsessed by the idea of having to repeat 100% of the content. Number 4, you can try to remember the sentence visually. Create a mental picture as you listen to the context and then try to recreate the sentence. Number 5 is optional. For those who find it difficult to memorize long sentences, you can take notes. However, you should abbreviate the sentence. Don't write the whole thing. And number 6, practice makes perfect. Visit PTE.Tools to practice 100% real exam questions back. Bye!